Hello, everybody. We're at Dart Throw Trading, and today is May 21st, 2015. We're going to go look at the top 10 best stocks to buy today. So to do that, head over to the site, dartthrowtrading.com, click on Dashboard. If you're a member, head into the trading tool, and let's go take a look at what we've got today. Scores green today. This is stocks, obviously, that are the best stocks today based on fundamentals, valuation, technicals, and insiders. We've got 11 stocks that hit the screen today, so let's go take a look at them one at a time. I put them in order by price, starting with Panera Bread, PRA, but there's a couple other stocks on here. D.A.R.T, another one that we look at a lot. And want to take a look at PNRA, Panera Bread. This is a $185 stock today. First thing we'd want to do is pull up just the overall snapshot of what's going on with the stock. It's up a little bit today. It's at 186.79. Technicals look great. Inner circle is awesome. Valuation and fundamentals all well. Stock has come up on a scan, two different scans in our system. And we've got earnings coming out in about 67 days, so it's not going to be a big impact on us in the short term. So looking at that, I want to look at the chart. A couple of things that pointed out to me that I noticed about this chart. The first thing, we did the D.A.R.T evaluation. And when we look at the D.A.R.T evaluation, we came up with a bullish stock in a narrow range, fast mover with some low volatility. And that points to a vertical spread. So the first thought was bull call spread. And then I looked at the stock and said, here's a couple of things. Number one, when we have an earnings report come out, like we did the last two quarters, last quarter, stock gapped up on the earnings and then stagnates. Last time, it gapped down and stagnates. So bull call spread doesn't seem like the best strategy. Why? Because the stock's not really going to move. The earnings come out, the stock moves on the earnings. So this is something we'd want to put on a straddle strangle list. However, it pretty much stagnates after the move. So that brings up a couple of different strategies. Stagnant stock, bullish trend, vertical spread, calendar spread. Calendar spread's not going to work for a couple of reasons. Number one, volatility is low, yes, but it's a fast-moving stock, so it could break out of that calendar range. So we at least one strategy, bull put spread. So we went and looked at a bull put spread on the stock, and we found a nice one. Look at the stock right now. This particular bull put spread allows us to get down here below this level of support. Actually, a little bit below it. We could actually go one strike lower and really get down here in this range here around 170. But the 175, 180 bull put spread looks really nice. It's about a 15% return in 29 days with about an 87% probability. It's not a bad place to be, especially on a stock that had already gapped up on earnings. So a lot of that move is taken out. And then the last few days, if we go back to the chart, just the last few days, this stock has, to the chart, popped up and more 3 days ago. So all things being considered, assuming the trend remains intact, assuming that the stock continues in this bullish behavior, this bull put spread looks like a nice trade. But once again, as you know, this is not a recommendation. This is for educational purposes only. So if you like what you see, check us out at dartthrowtrading.com. If you don't, that's cool too. Either way, we'd love to have you on board. See you soon.